Hi guys, welcome back. So today is going to be a beginner look, a beginner eyeshadow tutorial. And I've been thinking real hard on this because I want to show y'all something that y'all can actually use, something that might actually be helpful. And when I was first starting out, nobody told me what to do or how to use it or what to use, if you know what I mean. And my favorite go-to makeup was blue eyeshadow with blue Bath and Body Works glitter on it and blue mascara. I looked like Mimi, and everybody told me I looked okay, and that was a lie. So I wish somebody had shown me what I'm about to show you. I'm going to apologize in advance for the squeaking in the background. My dog has his dinosaur chew toy, and it's got a squeaker in it. It's so annoying. Okay, so as you can tell, I already have my eyebrows done. With the squeaky toy. If you want to know how to do them like mine, just follow the link in the top right corner. I will attach the link to the video so that y'all can just click on it and go straight to the eyebrow tutorial. Okay, so you want to start by priming your eyes. You can use any eyeshadow primer you want to use, but I use concealer. Why? Because I think it stays really well and it keeps the eyeshadow from creasing and it keeps the pigment true. So I use Maybelline's Master Conceal in the shade Fair, number 20. Okay, so before we get into the actual look, let me first explain how to put on eyeshadow because it makes a world of difference. The brush is everything, and I've noticed in a lot of y'all's videos, when you're first starting out, you use a big fluffy brush, right? An angled brush, a crease brush, a blending brush, whatever. But a big fluffy brush, right? Don't do that, especially in a small area. Use a small eyeshadow brush, a firm eyeshadow brush. Okay, so second thing that I've noticed, when y'all are using said fluffy brush and you're applying your eyeshadow, you go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And personally, I feel like that is an incorrect way of putting on eyeshadow. I say this because I've noticed in a couple of y'all's videos that when you do that sweeping technique, you're placing more eyeshadow in one spot and then dragging it. And when you drag it, you're not getting even coverage or even distribution. And you also have a lot of fallout on the outside of your eye and the inside of your eye. Okay, now you want to get your Mad for Matte ELF palette. Okay, so this is what the Mad for Matte palette looks like. To keep this video short, understandable, and easy to replicate, I'm gonna follow the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. So to keep it simple, I'm going to use nothing but the Eco Tools brushes. And you can get those at Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target, Amazon. I'm sure you can find it on Google, no problem. Okay, so we're going to start with this toffee brown or beige, whatever you want to consider it. Using the Eco Tools Accent Shadow Brush, you're going to take that toffee brown or beige, whatever color you want to consider it, and you're going to tap that on your brow bone. This keeps the pigment bright and vibrant. Don't worry about getting it down too low because you're going to clean it up later. Using the Eco Tools blurring brush, which is a big fluffy brush, now you can do that sweeping motion. Now using this brown on your crease, using that same accent shadow brush, you're going to place that brown on your crease by tapping it. if you can't figure out where your crease is, it's literally what's right outside of your eyelid. That hollow part, that's your crease. Now using the Eco Tools blurring brush again, you just got to blend that brown up towards your brow bone and into that toffee brown. Now using this black on your lid, accent shadow brush, tap that black on your eyelid. And then using the blurring brush again, let's blend that black into the brown. Now for cleanup. Now just add eyeliner and eyelashes. Okay, so this is the finished look. Brown smoky eye for beginners. I hope this video was helpful, like even a little bit.